The real test of a system begins when pressure increases. In the first phase, we build the rhythm. Now comes the bigger challenge. Could the same execution system perform under tighter timelines, higher pressure, and more active locations? This was phase 2. Same system, higher expectation. Phase 2 brought a completely different level of pressure. More locations were now active simultaneously, and this was happening during financial year closing period, which meant operational urgency was extremely high. This was no longer controlled scaling. This was accelerated execution. The biggest challenge was no longer scale. It was speed. In the earlier phase, we had committed 15 days execution window per location. Now, the expectation was 5 days. 5 days per location. But the scope remained the same. The deliverables also remained the same. And the quality expectation remained the same. Pressure changed, strategy did not. One important thing here, we did not change our execution model. We continued with the same plug and play strategy, the same distributed execution model, the same coordination between off-site and on-site execution. Off-site execution included factory manufacturing, furniture production, prefabrication, and material preparation. On-site execution included civil readiness, electrical coordination, installation, and live execution management. The system remained the same, but the pace increased significantly. At this stage, coordination becomes real time. Offsite execution can still be controlled. Factory production can be planned. Material can be prepared in advance. But on-site execution happens live. Material availability, team readiness, local procurement, site dependencies. Everything has to align in real time. Because once timelines shrink, even small gaps become critical. But speed cannot come at the cost of quality. Even under compressed timelines, we ensured quality was maintained, workmanship standards were followed, design guidelines were adhered to. The timeline pressure increased, but the execution standard did not reduce. Execution at scale also needs honest conversation. One important aspect during this phase was transparency with the client. We proactively communicated that delivering every location in 5 days' time may not always be practical under every condition, especially when execution depends on live site condition and real-time dependency. So wherever required, we recommended a soft launch approach. A mature execution system plans for continuity. The idea was simple. Operations should not stop, the branch should become functional, and any minor balance scope could be completed post-launch. For us, execution is not about hiding challenges. It is about managing them responsibly. This phase proved whether the system could absorb pressure. The timelines became tighter. The execution pace becomes faster. The complexity increased. But the fundamentals remained intact. Coordination, visibility, quality control, and execution discipline. The system scaled without compromising execution fundamentals. The execution maturity is tested under pressure. Phase 2 was not just about faster delivery. It was about maintaining confidence while speed increased. At AK Interiors, we believe execution at scale is not built on shortcuts. It is built on systems that continue to perform even when pressure rises. This journey does not stop at execution. In the next video, we will talk about closure, operational readiness, and what it takes to sustain execution continuity across a multiple location rollout. Stay with us.